Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Otter AI for meeting summaries. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use Otter AI for meeting summaries, then you can simply go and tap open Otter AI. Once you have done this, you need to simply record a live meeting. Once you have recorded a live meeting through the web or mobile app, by hitting the record button, you can also connect your calendar to have an automated assistant join and record your virtual meetings though. And after the meeting is over, Otter will generate a transcript that you can edit and then use AI to create an automated summary with key details, action items, and an outline as shown in your Otter demo video. So by doing this, you can simply use Otter AI for meeting summaries. You can simply have a live meeting, and after meeting, you can simply wait for the processing and the generated summary will be there. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.